In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate authorize.net with WooCommerce. 5 minutes. Let's get you up and running quickly and securely. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center where you can manage plugins, settings, and your store. Once you're in, head to the plugins section and click Add New. This is where you'll find and install the payment gateway you need. In the search bar, type WooCommerce authorize.net payment gateway. You're looking for the official plugin published by WooCommerce, often developed by Skyverge. Checking that it's the official plugin helps ensure compatibility, security, and ongoing updates. When you've found the right one, click Install Now, and once it finishes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on so you can configure it. Next, go to WooCommerce, choose Settings, and then select Payments. This tab manages all payment methods available in your store. Locate the option labeled authorize.net, sometimes noted as SIM or AIM, depending on the version, and click Setup or Manage. You'll land on the configuration screen where you can turn the gateway on and add your credentials. Enable the gateway by toggling the option to enable authorize.net. This makes it appear as a checkout option for your customers. Now enter your API login ID and transaction key. You'll get these from your authorize.net account under API credentials and keys. If you're not ready to process live payments, you can use sandbox credentials from authorize.net to test safely without charging real cards. Be sure to copy and paste carefully, since even a small typo will prevent payments from working. After entering the credentials, scroll down and click Save Changes. Saving is crucial. Your settings won't apply until you do. Once saved, it's a good idea to confirm the gateway shows as enabled in your payments list. If your store uses HTTPS, which it should for security, everything should be set for secure transactions. If you're new to SSL, check that your site's URL starts with HTTPS and your certificate is active. From here, consider placing a small test order to verify the checkout flow, whether in sandbox mode or with a nominal live charge. If anything doesn't look right, double check your API, login ID, transaction key, and the environment setting. That's it. Your WooCommerce store is now connected to Authorize.net and ready to accept payments smoothly.